It's December 31st in Mindelo, Cabo Verde, the final day of the 4-day celebrations to end the year. There are parties all over town, and we've been invited to one of the best, right here aboard our friend Jose's big game fishing boats. It's an international gathering of us Mindelo nobles. Jose's from Spain, there are Cape Verdean beauties, Berno from Germany, Michael from Sweden, John from America, and of course, Cape Verdean royalty, Gilda. Jose had won a suckling pig at a raffle, which we devoured. Gilda had brought ossobuco, and her husband brought antipasti, and me, my famous lasagna. A feast for kings and queens. And at midnight, one of the few times Cape Verde's on time, we had the best seats in the city, and there was still food left. Good thing, because I was to be joined by 3 more hungry mouths. Jessica, Alcinda, and of course, Wendy. Yes, sir, Mom and her 2 daughters. Typical Cape Verdean beauty and charm. So off we go, ladies. I've traveled a lot, been to many places, partied all over. And there is no other place like here. People here are born to sing and dance, from babies to grandmothers. They dance from birth to death, it seems. Any occasion is fair play for a party. For us foreigners, it can either be ecstatic craziness or mental anguish. You either take it in and become a local, or fuck off and leave. It's heaven and hell, and it's how you make it. In my case, I'm teetering between angels and devils.
Praise the ambiance there, man.
Mom is dressed in devilish red, and her daughter's in angel white.
Hanging out with Wendy, Alcinda, her mom, and Jessica, her sister. Crazy, man.
This road, the submission is crazy.
Crazy, man.
Look at Alcinda here. That's where Wendy's dancing jeans come from. At sunrise, it's customary for the headlining band to play, to end the party as the day begins. The streets are still filled, including friends and the girl's brother, Eric. Alcinda had gone home because she had been wearing heels and her feet were killing her. Wendy had brought a change of clothes to the boat, so she went devilish while Jessica stayed angelic. Again, I'm teetering between heaven and hell, and I'm loving it, going with the flow. Meanwhile, life comes and goes, and there is the hangover. It takes me a full day, even two, to recover from the fun and madness. The music has stopped, and the silence has set in, and it can be loud. Being in a sea of people, I'm alone floating in my boat. I have things to do, but I don't really. Okay, I do have to put out a video every week. That forces some discipline on me. And sometimes I need a little inspiration, but I have to be careful not to get too inspired, because then I'll want to go out. But then I need a break from the computer and screen. Yes, I'll get out. Do something constructive. Yeah, dust in the wind, that's all it is. Don't get me wrong, I love being alone, especially here. There's always someone around or something going on. Remember when you were a kid and you built your fort to hide in? We made them with blankets, boxes, or up in a tree. Well, my boat here is my grown-up fort, my special place, my man cave. But that may change once Wendy and I set sail for Africa in about a month. We both want to travel and leave the madness of Mindelo for a while, inshallah. As much as I love being alone, I like Wendy's company. The time we spent sailing together taught us to learn how to live together in a small space. She enjoys her time alone also. If I left the boat for a while, she was fine by herself, and I could go and do my thing, like taking a salt bath right off my balcony. Every day I lose myself in the crisp waters and think about stuff. Or not. I'll be honest, the water is chilly now. It is January. Is the water clean? Yes, it's clean, or else I wouldn't be swimming in it every day. And how cold? Well, cold enough to shrink your willy significantly.
Amazing sound coming from Ponte d'Agua. Listen. Man, if you love music, this is the place, man. It's always just great music playing, man. When you have nights out there at Ponte d'Agua, wow. Awesome tunes.
So here I go. Start of another year in Cabo Verde. And what's in store for me next?
Wow, look at that. The family Tufeche. I inspired them to be crazy and stupid like me. Can you imagine? It's really sweet. All the way from Turkey. That's from Turkey. This is great.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.